Injection molding. In this process, the plastic material is melted in the injection chamber and then injected into the mold, where it cools, and finally the finished plastic part is ejected. Okay, this one is the injection molding mission. Here it consists of a clamping unit. This one is a mold cavity, and this one is hopper. From this the plastic granules are separated. This one is the heating chamber. This one is the barrel. Okay, when the plastic granules are fed into the hopper, then it comes to the heating chamber. Here from this heating chamber, okay, here it melts, and this melted plastic granules are injected into the mold cavity. Okay, we will see the working principle in this diagram. Okay, this one is the clamping unit, and this one is the mold cavity, and this one is the injection chamber. Okay, here as earlier I explained, the plastic granules heated from this heater here, then it is injected into the mold cavity. Okay, after cooling, this mold this pot is ejected. Here we will see the stages of the injection molding. First one is the clamping, and the second one is injection, third one is cooling, and fourth one is the ejection. Okay, clamping. In this clamping, two halves of the mold must be tightly closed before the molten plastic material is injected into the mold. One half of the mold is attached to the injection unit nozzle. Other half is allowed to slide on the guideways. The clamping of the mold is operated hydraulically, which it pushes the moving off part of the mold towards the fixed part. Okay, next one is the injection. Okay, during this process, the plastic material is melted by the application of heat and forwarded through the piston towards the nozzle and finally into the mold. The molten plastic is then injected into the mold cavity quickly. The amount of material that is injected is called the shot value. Here the injection time is estimated by injection power and the pressure. Okay, third one is the cooling. Okay, whenever the injected, then molten plastic begins to cool, and after that it will solidify. Fourth one is ejection. Here ejector mechanism is used to eject the part from the mold. Okay, during ejection, during the cooling, the molded part sinks and adheres into the mold surface. Okay, this process it will takes about 2 to 60 seconds. After that, the process is repeated. That means the 4 stages are repeated. Here these are the materials used for the injection molding process. Okay, the applications are walled plastic housing products, household appliances and electronics, and like buckets, toothbrushes, and many medical devices, and toys. The advantages are it has a higher production rate and close tolerances on small intricate parts, and a minimum wastage of the material, and complex geometry can be easily produced. The disadvantage is the initial tool cost is higher, and the higher set of cost and large undercuts cannot be formed. The important process parameters are injection temperature, pressure, shot volume, and mold temperature, cooling time, ejection temperature, and cycle time. The common injection molding defects are flash, blister, warping, bubbles, unfilled sections, jetting, sink, and ejector marks. Okay, thank you.